When I was a kid, I used to get bullied by women. They would always try to give me instructions, boss me around, and they would call that a JOI. It was rough. I thought that maybe I should get some payback for that, for them bullying me. So justice needs to be served. And some people like to call me vengeance. Something in the way. So I thought objectifying women would be a proper justice. This will be a very simple tutorial on how to objectify a woman. So the very first thing you will need to do is write this sentence down. I am going to objectify women. You can write it down 1,000 times, however, I do not care. I have reason to believe women love being objectified because when I was still in school and I had to write a sentence for marks, I used to have I as my subject, objectify as my verb, woman as my object, and my teacher, who was a woman, would give me 4 marks for that. So that's how I knew I was doing something right. Ladies and gentlemen, that is how you objectify a woman. I have another example for this. I have another sentence. Oh crap, would you look at that? My video got cut off. And I can't finish it. Well then I guess that's the end of the video. Send this video to your family members. Yeah. Easy go.